Hi guys, it's Louisa again. I just wanted to make a quick video to respond to Leia's latest video about synchronicities, and holy shift, it's happening. We're all becoming more connected. The web is getting larger and larger, and the web of creation is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's pretty damn cool. So, yeah, we're just all kind of, lately for me, it's kind of been and I'm sure for, everybody else out there, it's just been a big, giant game of telephone. All the lines are out there, and people are picking up. So, I also just wanted to say that, what was I going to say? The part of Leia's video where she is talking about people that aren't awakened yet, and that you have to forgive them because they know not what they do. And funny that you should say that, Leia, because yesterday I was having a conversation with a friend of mine, and he just all of a sudden said something not mean, but it was just kind of out of character for him, and we ended our conversation and we went our separate ways. But after a while, like, that comment of his just kind of stuck in my head, and it was kind of, bringing me down, making me kind of irritable. I'm like, what's going on? What should I do? What should I do about this situation? And immediately I was told, forgive him, for he knows not what he does. And so I was like, that makes sense, because he doesn't realize that the comment that he made was probably out of line or not, in his best interest, and he didn't know that. And I wasn't going to say anything to him, because I know if I were to say something to him, we would get into a big argument, because I know how much, it doesn't matter how much you tell somebody or try to make somebody see the way that you see things, they're still going to have their own opinion. So the only thing you can do is to forgive them. And so what I did is, after I got this kind of little message from my guide, I kind of just went to a quiet place and just kind of took a few deep breaths. And what I did was I said this person's name, and I said, please, what did I say? I said, please forgive him, for he knows not what he does. And then I said, but I still love you, and I accept you as you are. And that was that. And the next day, honestly, was kind of funny, because he was kind of in a rotten mood yesterday, and now today he was, a lot happier. He seemed a lot happier. He was saying some really cool, positive things, and I was checking out his page on Facebook, and he made a status that was inspired by my video, and I was just like, that is so cool. So yeah, I mean, we're starting to really get connected with everything and everyone, and we are all one. And yeah, so that's really all I wanted to say. So I guess I will talk to you guys later. So I wish you guys lots of love and happiness, and, go forth and be amazing, because I know that you are.